Hi guys, welcome to my AutoTube review. So this is the dashboard of this tool, and in this video I'll give you a detailed walkthrough of the software AutoTube. Firstly, thank you very much that you are giving your precious time to watch my video, to watch the review of AutoTube. So this is the dashboard, and let me just go through, let me just give you a detailed walkover of this tool, and then I will get back to the additional stuffs like the price, the bonuses, and also the sales funnel and all other random stuffs. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and inside this dashboard, these are the options. This tool is all about just getting traffic from YouTube. There is a very simple way to get traffic from YouTube, and you can do it very easily with this tool. So firstly, you have to create account like your YouTube. You have to integrate, or you have firstly you have to create account inside YouTube, like with your email. If you have an email, then there is nothing to do with nothing to create any YouTube account. By default, with your email account, you will be given one YouTube channel. Okay, so you can easily integrate your channel inside this tool, and you can access this tool, or you can click on add new, and then you can just put your connect your email ID or YouTube email ID with this tool. After doing that, let me show you. Let me start with the campaign. So you can put the exact channel ID you want to put your comment inside that channel. Okay, so you can put the channel ID, or you can type the keyword. Like, let me put the dog keyword. This is a very popular keyword. So once I put the keyword, it is just doing the method. It is just searching the top videos related with dog. Okay, so it is searching that, and additionally there are some tool or some stuffs given, like image editor. A detailed image editor is given, URL shortener is also given, and also API training. Like, API training is not a tool, but it is a training. Okay, so also the software training, like 6 training videos is given also. If you want to, you can access the training, then you can start using the tool. So it is taking time. While this is taking time, let me just show you the additional stuffs, like the ratings and all of the stuff. So these are the ratings: 94, 97, 95, 93, 96, and overall it has got 9.5. It is an outstanding performance, and this is the price of this tool, like $17. You can get this tool within $17. It is still taking time. I don't know why it is taking so much time. My internet is okay, but it is taking time. I don't know why. So this was the tool. Just after the videos come up here, then you can easily put your comment, an exact comment, or you can use the post template. Like, you can previously create the templates of the comment. Okay, sorry, of the comment. And maybe I am looking a little sweaty because I have gone through the exercise, and sorry, I have gone through the exercise, then I have started doing the video. Okay, so you can use the templates, previously done templates to sorry, you can previously use the previously done template to do the comment. And inside the comment, do not just spam. Inside the comment, you can put your link, and I recommend you that you should not put your link directly, but you can use the stuff like you can write 2 or 3 lines about your niche, or you can also write according to the video. You can write the lines, you can put together the lines, and then you can easily paste your link. That is my recommendation. And this is the early bird pricings details, and also the launch period: Wednesday 10th March, like in New York time, 11 AM EST it is launching. And this is the launch end period, and they are additionally giving you 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee. And the bonus, let me show you the bonuses. So these are the descriptions, and it's still taking time. I don't know why it is taking time, but previously when I was using this, there was after some time there were some videos, and also you have to just put the checkbox here, like the right marks, the right tick here. You have to just check the video, and then you can go through the next step. The next step is just putting your comment, and then you can click OK. You will be given that your comment. Let me just show you from here, if I can show you. Okay, so let me just show you. So this is the checkbox. The checkbox after the searching method, the checkbox will become here, or the videos will become here. And let me show you. After doing the checkbox and just clicking the put my comment on the option, like something like that option, your commenting will be started, and you can easily do the commenting from one dashboard. Okay, so this is the best thing inside this tool. And once you have this kind of traffic inside any video, like 1,249,961 views, and this kind of likes, and also like 483,506 views, then you can easily getting traffic on a daily basis. Like maybe the traffic is not super targeted, or maybe the super targeted traffic also. Like you can put your niche directly, you can put your micro niche, then you can search the videos and you can grab their traffic easily. So this is the fundamental principle of this tool. On this principle, depending on this principle, this tool works. And that was the overview video. And in my word, from my heart, I have written the word that what I think about the word, that this is very useful tool. You can easily get the YouTube super targeted traffic. Additionally, they are giving you the image shortener. Let me just show you the image editor, or maybe the URL shortener. So this is the image editor. You can do anything you want to do with the image editor. You can create any thumbnail or any blog posts, like images. And also this is the URL shortener. You can track your URL, creating URL shortener. And also these are the sales funnel, like AutoTube $17, and the upsell is AutoTube Unlimited, and downsell is $27, and AutoTube Pro and downsell. And you can go through the descriptions, the details of the sales funnel, and you can get the tool from this website by clicking the video description link given below. And this is the bonuses that will be given to you from my website. Okay, so this is the free bonus. Once you have just purchased the tool, you can use this, or you have not purchased the tool, you can use it. You can click me, you can knock me from my Facebook page, and you can get anything about anything your query, get the answer about anything your query on Make Money Online. So this is the bonus number one, the image editor, all-in-one image editor, and a very concise image editor, compact image editor is GIMP. And the bonus number 2 is Audacity, and the bonus number 3 is video marketing. This tool is all about YouTube video and video traffic. That is why most of the bonuses are related to video and also YouTube. So this is also the animation book. You can create any animated video also. The link supremacy to rank any link, like any blog post link or any video link, also YouTube link, and the expert content videos. And the bonus number 7 is 80 stock footages. 80 stock footages. Stock footages are really available on Pixabay and Pixels freely, but you have to give time to check out all of the stuffs, like all of the footages. You have to go through the millions of footages. That is why I have gathered the best footages, like most random footages and good best footages for you, and I am giving you as bonuses. So this is the vendor bonus pack. From anywhere you can purchase the tool, you will be given the vendor bonuses by default. And the first vendor bonus is $100 a day AutoTube. This is maybe this is a training, and this is a YouTube marketing cheat sheets. And bonus number 3 is YouTube exclusive guide, step by step from scratch to profit. Like most of the bonuses given from the vendor are related to YouTube. That is why I have given the video related bonuses. Okay, so step by step from scratch to profit, and also $100 case study from YouTube. So this was the vendor bonuses. Like most of the affiliates will be offering you this kind of bonuses or exactly these bonuses. And this is the upsell bonuses. Like if you purchase the upsell of this tool, as the upsells are costlier, you will be given more valuable pack, like more softwares, 200 plus softwares, and additionally plugins, images, musics, like free music tracks, and also doodle character images, animated character images. And you can check out the bonuses after purchasing the tool. You can click access your access affiliate bonus, this blue button, and you will be given the bonuses. So that was the overview of this tool and also my bonuses overview. I think I should leave now, so I'm signing out. I am wrapping up the video, so bye bye.